would say this could be more dangerous on offense without Tyreek Hill if they play this brand of football.
A dust storm raged across the greater Phoenix area on October 3rd. The National Weather Service in Phoenix said, strong thunderstorm outflows brought wind and blowing dust to the area. Footage captured by Luke Garrison outside Liberty Elementary School in Buckeye shows a large dust storm towering above a field. Type of dust storm known as a haboob blows across parts of northwest Arizona over the weekend.
We're gonna drive right into it. Haven't seen one this good in a couple summers.
Thousands of people are without power and damage was reported all over the valley as a dust storm moved from the west into parts of the Phoenix area on Monday afternoon. Arizona's family meteorologists report wind gusts were over 50 miles per hour in the area. Strong wind hit the valley, including Paradise Valley, Tempe, Mesa, South Phoenix and Avondale. Deer Valley residents saw wind gusts up to 62 miles per hour just around 4 p.m. Meanwhile, other West Valley cities like Surprise, Peoria and El Mirage saw wind around 30 to 35 miles per hour.